Ever wondered how the Volkswagen Beetle came to be one of the most iconic cars in the world? Let's take a trip down memory lane back to the 1930s, where the story of this legendary automobile begins. Conceived in an era of economic hardship, the Beetle was designed to be the people's car, an affordable, practical vehicle that could bring the joy of driving to the masses. As the years passed, the Beetle rolled with the times, but it was in the 1960s where it truly found its stride and became a symbol of the counterculture movement. Outfitted with a simple engine and a design that was as charming as it was distinctive, the Beetle became the vehicle of choice for those who dared to be different, those who craved freedom and adventure. The Beetle's timeless design and affordability resonated with people across the globe, so the Beetle started off as a humble, affordable car, but quickly became so much more. How did the Beetle evolve from a simple, practical car to a design icon? That's the million-dollar question. The Beetle's evolution is a testament to the power of design and innovation. Born in the 1930s as a utilitarian vehicle, the Beetle was all about practicality. However, as the decades rolled on, the Beetle began to transform. In the late 60s, the Super Beetle was introduced, featuring a larger, more streamlined body and enhanced performance capabilities. The Beetle was no longer just a practical car, it was becoming a design icon. Then, in the late 90s, the new Beetle exploded onto the scene. With its rounded, retro-inspired design, it was a nostalgic nod to the Beetle's past, yet entirely contemporary. Throughout its evolution, the Beetle has never lost sight of its roots. Its iconic shape and character have remained consistent, a testament to its enduring appeal. The Beetle's design has certainly evolved over the years, but it has always maintained its iconic shape and character. What made the Beetle stand out from other cars of its time? Well, let's dive into the Beetle's technical innovations. The Beetle was truly groundbreaking with its air-cooled rear-engine layout, a design choice that was quite unusual. This design not only gave the Beetle a distinctive shape, but also improved its balance and handling. But the Beetle was not just about aesthetic appeal. It was built to last. Thanks to its simple yet robust construction, the Beetle was known for its impressive longevity and reliability. With fewer parts to break down, the Beetle easily outlasted many of its contemporaries. This car was designed to be easily serviced and repaired, a factor that greatly contributed to its widespread acceptance. The Beetle was always more than just a car. It was a symbol of innovation, a testament to the power of simplicity, and an icon of reliability. It's clear that the Beetle's unique features and reliable performance played a major role in its popularity. What does the future hold for the Beetle? With the wrap-up of its production in 2019, you might think this is the end of the road for our beloved Beetle. But hold on to your steering wheels, folks. There's a buzz in the automotive world that the Beetle might be gearing up for a comeback, this time in an electric avatar. Yes, you heard it right. Volkswagen has been dropping hints about the possibility of an electric Beetle that could carry forward the legacy of this iconic car into the era of sustainable mobility. If this pans out, it would not only be a fitting tribute to the Beetle's enduring charm, but a testament to its adaptability. Whether or not we see a new Beetle on the roads again, there's no denying the impact this little car has had on the automotive world. The Beetle's legacy is here to stay, in our hearts, on our roads, and perhaps in our future.